كيفكن؟ سامر من يلا عربي تيم. I miss you all guys. I'm going today to teach you the imperative verb. We already talked about the imperative verb with the regular verbs, right? So we made two parts with the verbs. Irregular, which is Yalla Arabi verbs, and regular. Okay? So the part one in the imperative verb, if you didn't watch it before please. It was about the regular, now about Yalla Arabi verbs, which is the irregular. Irregular, it's so easy because with the regular verbs, it was you take off the imprefix and the editing, it was just for male. Fatha becomes alif, kasra becomes e, and dammi becomes waw, right? For here, you're gonna see it's with Yalla Arabi verbs, which is verbs has vowel letters, verbs just has two letters, verbs has shaddi. Bnan, you just take off the imprefix. Nam, nami, namu. Again, the imperative just for you. Male, female, plural. Enta, nam bakir, sleep early. Nami bakir, namu. ناموا هون تمام؟ هلا بضل verb with two letters. This is with vowel letter, this is with two letters. You as well, you just take off the imprefix. ضل هون, stay here. ضلي هنيك. ضلوا مكانكم, in your place. تمام؟ بغسل verb والشدي. غسل ايديك. غسل ايديك. Wash your hands. غسلي for you female. غسلوا plural. بسافر verb, the root is more than 3 letters, 4 letters. You just take off the imprefix again. سافر, travel, سافري, سافروا. تمام؟ هلا with negation it's لا. Negation with imperative. لا تنام هون. لا تاكل بطاطا بالليل. لا تشرب بيرة during the week. تمام؟ So you could say na with the negation, but grammatically we should say la. طبعا of course if you have friend Arab and you ask him it's for negation with imperative la or ma, you're gonna shock him because Arabs they never like thought or they don't think about the grammar in the dialect life. Okay? So the grammar it's something it created recently. We created as Yalla Arabi. We create too much grammar because it has no resource like for a grammar to know about it. So we made like this is rules and grammar just to make it easy for you guys and to fall in love with the language. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the class. Halla, you have homework, you're gonna leave it in the comment and try to conjugate it in the imperative with irregular verb or Yalla Arabi verb. قول, I say, حس, I feel, خلص, I finish, بحتار, I confuse. Okay? Try to practice with these examples. And I will see you guys next week. بحبكم كتير.